Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OAS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the price of OAS right now closed at $1 mark, and $1 is a very, very important level from a technical point of view. Well, first off, let's just start from the psychological point of view. $1 is always going to be one of those psychological areas. I mean, when prices are trying to break up above $1, usually it's pretty difficult to do. And then when the price is trying to drop below $1, usually there's, just because it's that big round number of $1, it's a pretty big area, and that's what's played out here. So, I mean, that's all been confirmed via the chart right here, where if you go back to the history of the chart, you can see that several times over the past couple of weeks, there, a bunch of times more there, and then you jump all the way to today, and you can see that basically spent all day long right there at that $1 mark. So, I mean, it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational question to be wondering a couple of things. Is history going to repeat itself? Meaning the last couple of times the price was down around that area, some nice bounce happens. Now, again, does that mean that it's guaranteed to occur? If only trading were that easy. My point here is it's at least a valid or rational thought to have. Case in point, if the price had never bounced off this area, and then someone was saying, hey, it could bounce, you'd be more than justified to say, well, based on what? But in this situation, it's already shown that it can bounce, it can bounce from that level. But the other problem well, not really a problem, but the other potential scenario is, well, the price does not hold above that $1 mark. And then after that, it becomes, okay, well, where are the next levels of support? So going forward, if that $1 mark does not quite hold up, once again, no such thing as a guarantee, but at that point, it would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially drift its way down to that 85-cent mark, because that is, is going to create a whole lot of downwards pressure if that $1 mark fails. So watch those as far as areas of resistance are concerned, or excuse me, levels of support are concerned. As far as levels of resistance, if there is any sort of a bounce back to the upside, keep an eye right there on that $7 mark, which is the value of that pink line, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200-period moving average, which you can see the value of right there. But yeah, as of right now, a lot of people are going to be watching that $1 mark, so let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.